Welcome to my channel English and Hebrew with Val. Countries and nationalities. Let's learn the names of the countries and their nationalities. Let's wonder together. Italy. The country is Italy. The Italian flag is green, white, and red. Italy. The nationality is Italian. What's the next? The UK, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The country is the UK. The British flag is blue, red, and white. It's called Union Jack. The UK. The nationality is British. What's the next? Ukraine. The country is Ukraine. The Ukrainian flag is blue and yellow. Ukraine. The nationality is Ukrainian. What's the next? The USA, the United States of America. The country is the USA. The American flag is blue, red, and white. The USA. The nationality is American. What's the next? Canada. The country is Canada. The Canadian flag is red and white with the red maple leaf centered on the white band. Canada. The nationality is Canadian. What's the next? Brazil. The country is Brazil. The Brazilian flag is green, yellow, and blue. Brazil. The nationality is Brazilian. What's the next?
Japan.
The country is
Japan,
The Japanese flag is red and white.
Japan,
The nationality is Japanese. What's the next? Israel. The country is Israel. The Israeli flag is blue and white and a symbol of the Jewish state. Israel. The nationality is
Israeli,
What's the next? Greece. The country is Greece. The Greek flag is blue and white. Greece. The nationality is Greek. What's the next? Turkey. The country is Turkey. The Turkish flag is red and white. Turkey. The nationality is Turkish. The next country is Spain. The Spanish flag is yellow and red. The nationality is Spanish. The next country is Australia. The Australian flag is blue, red and white. The nationality is Australian. The next country is China. The Chinese flag is red and yellow.
the nationality is Chinese.
The next country is New Zealand. The New Zealand flag is blue, red, and white. The nationality is a New Zealander. The next country is Egypt. The Egyptian flag is red, white, and black. The nationality is Egyptian.